let me show you what we're working with here today. We're here at campsite number 25 at the Willow Flat campground. We got an RV neighbor over there, no one down that direction for a little ways, no one as our up the road neighbor, which is nice. MJ's getting used to all the new smells and things. Normally when he's come with me, he's kind of off leash and just gets to roam around a little bit, but this campground is they do ask for animals to be leashed, and there's a couple other dogs here that are way bigger than MJ, and so I don't really want to break up a dog fight or lose him by accident. So he's knocked over a couple chairs a couple times, but just he's doing great, getting used to the new environment, all the new smells, and he's this is only the third time he's ever been camping, so he's getting used to it. This campground is kind of a pretty powdery, so he's his feet are gonna be pretty dirty, but that's okay. Got the truck set up, tent opened, and gonna start a fire because the mosquitoes are starting to piss me off. And then walk down this way, we've got the creek, Cub River Creek, flowing through the campground. It's beautiful. It's a great little sound barrier and extremely peaceful to just listen to the water. What do you think, huh? How do you feel about it? You don't seem thrilled to be tied up, I know. Huh. There's these painted rocks all over the campgrounds. It's kind of funny. They're everywhere, just scattered throughout. Not sure who painted them or why they're here, but they're kind of cool. Pretty neat. Dinner tonight, I'm going to try something that I've never done before, and it's pizza in the cast iron. I've seen videos and heard that that's really good, and pretty straightforward and easy. Pretty easy, so I thought might as well give it a try, and if it sucks, it sucks, and is what it is. But we're gonna do pizza in the cast iron. I'm gonna try to do it over the campfire, but we'll see how things go. MJ's got his food over there and some water, but he isn't very interested at the moment. More interested in these pesky flies and mosquitoes. So I'm gonna get a fire going. We'll check back in with you later. Hello. Alright, so we're cooking up a little bit of sausage to put on the pizza. And then we'll put some chicken in there, and then I'll put the bread and toast everything up. But for now, just gonna start with the sausage. It's a beautiful night. It's very calm. It's been great. Got to keep him away from the fire. But besides that, it's been fun. Hey. No, hey. Hey. Okay, so I decided to add some bacon, but we got all that cooking up. Fire started to die down, threw a log in, and now it's raging. So that corner of the pan is going to be really warm, but that's okay. Andrew hanging out. He just ate all of his food and tipped over his water. Oh yeah, hi. What anything to say, sir? Are you sick of the hornets? Yeah, me too. Yeah, we're just gonna keep cooking away and hanging out. It's currently about 7:10. We've got some new neighbors over there, and yeah, we'll just hang out. Okay, so now we've got everything cooked up. We've got some onions, the sausage, some chicken, and then I cut up some bacon and put it in there as well. We're gonna do it on some pita bread, and I've got some Alfredo sauce and some barbecue sauce, and we'll add a little bit more oil to this and then get this over the fire. This is really hot, so I might let it cool down a little bit so it doesn't just burn the bread, but dinner is getting there. Okay, it's been on there a little bit. I forgot to bring a lid, so we'll just make do with what it's at. But I think it's done. Lovely. I'll cut it up and have some pizza for dinner. Okay, so dinner's all put away and cleaned up. Dishes are all done. I gotta do a few things here to clean up the camp just to make things easy in the morning. And little MJ's having a blast of a time. He's got stuff all over in his tail that from laying around, rolling around in the dirt, but he's having a blast. We're just gonna get things cleaned up. I'm gonna hang out around the fire for the rest of tonight. It's about 8:30. More and more neighbors keep pouring in by the minute, so this is one of the reasons I don't like designated campgrounds, but I wanted to come here for the nostalgia. Like I said, I used to come here all the time with my grandparents, and on, let's see, Wednesday, today's Friday, 2 days ago was the anniversary of my grandmother passing. So I wanted to come kind of honor her, and this was a campground that I remember coming to several different times with her, and have a lot of memories at this campground. So I wanted to come kind of honor her and have a weekend where we're just going to hang out by the fire, have a drink or two, and then go to bed. See you in the morning. Well, good morning. It's officially the next morning. Sun is just about to peek through the trees over there. A couple of our neighbors are starting to wake up. MJ is not thrilled at me making him sit on my chair and stay over there while I start packing up. Last night was pretty good though. It was a little cold. I did forget to bring my ladder, so getting in and out of the tent with him was a little complicated. Well, it wasn't too bad. I ended up dropping the tailgate, and then we climbed up through the side door right there rather than the main door, so it was fine. It worked fine. He was not a big fan of it, but... Alright, so we're back in the truck. MJ here is pretty nervous about where we're going and what we're doing, but we are going to hit the road and start making our way towards that trail. I can't recommend this campground enough. It's a great spot, very clean. Great sized campgrounds for both campers or tents. It's a great spot. If you're in the area and you want a designated campground, I would definitely recommend coming to the Willow Flat campground in the Preston area. If you are wanting more of a dispersed campground, there are a whole bunch of options dispersed surrounding this area. Very fun. Starting to get pretty windy, and MJ's getting a little nervous, but we'll get the air flowing here and get on our way. Okay, so the road that I wanted to take to get to Logan Canyon, there's a bunch of like tractors and equipment, so they must be doing some road work, maybe widening the road or something, I'm not sure, or something, maybe he's blocking the road and they're doing some repairs. Either way, we're not gonna be able to go that way, so we're going out the way we came, and that'll be the end of this video. Not quite what I had intended, but still fun. I'm gonna definitely make a trip. I'm gonna definitely plan to make a trip to come back and do that road, maybe when it's a little bit more of the fall season, so we start seeing the change of colors. For now, we'll call the video there, and thank you for watching to the end. It's a bit of a shorter one, but still a fun one, and we'll catch you in the next one.